As the first haircut of the year rolls around, I've been staring at my bangs, which have grown long and shaggy. You know, I've gotten some pretty cool compliments when I post photos of these longer bangs. People say I look like Stevie Nicks or Debbie Harry. I mean, how amazing is that? I'm definitely going to miss those comparisons, but I think it's time for a little change. So today I'm trimming my bangs into a shaggy PC Rockstar style, straight across but with a diffuse line, no angling. Let's do this together. I've been thinking about adding some face framing layers. The trend this year is all about heavier face framing, like in the fairy haircut and the modern mullet styles. I don't want to go full mullet, but a few more layers around my face could give me that ethereal romantic vibe. What do you think? Let's see how it goes. So here's my step-by-step hair plan. First up, we're going to tackle the bangs. I've got this well-defined triangle section in my bangs that I'm going to use as my guide. So I'm isolating the rest of my hair for now. Right now, the center of my bangs is shorter and the sides are a bit longer, and I'm just going to make the shorter section wider and leave just a tiny bit of the longer on the sides. Step 2, sectioning the hair. Next, I'll section off the front half of my hair from the back. I want to better connect the long face framing layers. So I've straightened my hair today so I can see exactly what I'm doing, but I'm keeping in mind how it will look with my natural waves too. The philosophy behind DIY haircuts. Cutting your own hair can be both exciting and a little scary, right? For me, it's all about experimenting with my hair to keep it healthy, looking good. If you're thinking about cutting bangs or adding layers, I say go for it. It's all about having fun and embracing your unique style. So what do you think of my new bangs? Let me know in the comments below. And if you try this at home, I'd love to see your results. Stay foxy.